Hello, hello, good morning, afternoon, evening, night. We're back with some Halloween market fright. Friday was quite a scare. Some people got shook, spooked, you might say. Spooked out of everything they've earned. And yes, it went up, went down, went up, then it went real far down. Now, unfortunately, if you liquidated all your stuff, very little chance of recovery for you today. But for the people who did hold, it is a nice, familiar sight for the bullish market peoples. Everything except Rocket Lab. Rocket Lab, we went up today. We were up. Should have got out. Should have got out of Rocket Lab. But who would have known that one of the hottest stocks of 2025 would just not be cutting it anymore. Then again, it does make sense. This stock is up so much over the past year. So it would make sense that instead of just going down, she's kind of sitting right on the volume profile basically. So I can't be upset with that because it was down double, triple that. So that's all right. We'll make do. We'll be content with what we've got in that respect. Now, we're not up as much as we were in the morning. We're up like another 4%, 5%. So that was really nice. It looks like it's starting to pull back. But we got our day trades restricted because of Friday. We were fine until the market close. And then market close, we had to do a bunch of things that I wish I didn't have to do, but it was lucky we were able to. And then we got flagged as a pattern day trader, so how fun. We just got into the game and then we got violated. So, or maybe I violated, you know? I guess that actually is what happened. I did the violating. So this is our Friday. This is what happened to us on Friday, although it was probably more than that. Probably more than that. We did lock these in, though. Which effectively doesn't matter, right? When the account is down. That money, you made it, but it's gone already. So that's always nice. But we're returning to these values today. This will likely be a recovery. How much? Begs to be seen. But we're getting there. We're getting there. Then also, we made sure that we are not going to be playing with quantum. I shouldn't say playing. We won't be holding. We're not going to be holding quantum. I do not like it in terms of this, the bubble we're in, whatever you might call it. Either way, a lot of these don't have fundamentals. They have futures, but no fundamentals. So, I shouldn't say no, but low. Very little. Riggedy, different. I think RGTI might be the only one I play with, but we'll see. Day trading, different story. I could get in, get out pretty quickly on these. I don't have to hold and put my heart into them. That's fine. But what we are looking at is this sector. This sector is going to be popping off for sure. Oh, we had TMQ. That's weird. I could have swore I bought that. I definitely have it in my other accounts. Speaking of which, we will make our way there shortly. How's this looking for a little buy, though? And the volume. And it's below the profiles. Wow, look at that profile up there. What the hell? A little bit. Just take a hundos. I mean, we're gonna end up on the 666. I actually not like to be on that. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. We've had enough demons. Friday we had the demons visit. Everybody had the demons visit on Friday, so we'll skip that and we will poke around, see what's going on in the other accounts right now. A Up a little more percentage-wise. This... We got out of something here today. I think it was MP. Was it? No, I think we bought it. Yeah, well, Ion Q. That's right. Plug, EOES, Rocket Lab, UUUU, Oklo. Yeah. Although these are up a lot more than where I sold them. 24, yeah. Rocket Lab. Okay, Rocket Lab. We made a little bit of money on that. EOSC. Still going up. I figured it's just, with what happened Friday, I was like, I'm not gonna be stupid. I'm at least gonna lock in some of this before it pulls all of it back. And those were my biggest earners so far. 378. Plug, I just kind of sold even because I didn't believe in the plug. Didn't believe in it. And what else? What else we got going on? Here, pretty much followed suit. A little bit different. We had different pickups. Friday was a very, very diversified day. We had totally different stuff in every single account. And that's why you're seeing today these look very different. Yeah, we sold pretty much everything. Although this is still headed to the moon. Strato. But it's alright. It's alright. We did relatively good. I'm happy with where we landed after that tumultuous launch we had on Friday. Big highs, even lower lows. But I am very happy you're all here with me, and that would probably mean that you're still here. You didn't liquidate. We're all figuring it out with the money we still got left. I'm going to be looking to prioritize staying above the 25, although as we're sitting here, it's just the numbers getting lower and lower. Can't sell. Cannot sell much today. I'm restricted from day trading. So that is another issue. Friday, we went over our day trades, and then we ended up closing for the day with less than the required amount. So, and then we made more day trades, and then we got pattern day trade flagged. So that sucks, but if we end today above 25, I think we'll be okay. I think that'll get lifted off. So, otherwise I'm not switching to a cash account. You could take that to the grave with you. I'm not. And with that said, we've got our stock picks from Friday, which NNE worked out pretty much everything. Ah, there you are, AES. Yeah, I had sold that just before. I was like, what is this? I'm not even sure. It must have came up in some research. But that's a new one I threw in the watch list, AES. So everything I bought, pretty much doing alright for today. EIX, I think, is still kind of stagnant. And then, yeah, we're going to be looking to hold these out for a little bit. See which way the market's moving today. That's my plan. And then act accordingly. But we're really looking to get this day trade count lifted. That restriction is going to rip me up this week if that sticks. So we'll be trying to stay above 25. Without further ado, I bid you adieu. May your troubles be less, your blessings be more. Nothing but happiness comes straight through your door, my friend. Take care.